morning, children. We have completed our first lesson and second lesson. Yes. So from tomorrow, from day after tomorrow onwards, we have an exams. Yes. So and from today you have Telugu exam. Yes. So everyone, all the best, Nana. Today you have to learn English revision. Yes. And also I am going to how to read English revision and also how to prepare. That I am going to tell in this class. And also you have already completed the first lesson and second lesson. What are the important questions you are going to get? What are the important questions you are going to get? This will be shown in this. Okay, everyone keep your textbook in front of you and also note down the points. Okay. Now coming to the first lesson, that the town mouse and the country mouse. Open the first lesson, everyone. See, from that lesson, I am going to give one paragraph. Yes, from town mouse, from first lesson. From first lesson, I am going to give one paragraph. Paragraph about, that is town mouse and country mouse. Yes, town mouse and country mouse. Yes, and also from this first lesson, a poem it is there, Nana. Poem also there. So that poem, a new blue dress. A new blue dress. New blue dress. Yes, from first lesson, town mouse and country mouse. From that lesson, and also poem, a new blue dress. From this and from this, a paragraph will be getting. I am going to give any paragraph from town mouse or a new blue dress. And also coming to the second lesson, that is C.V. Raman, the pride of India. C.V. Raman, pride of India. Pride of India. And also there was a poem in this also, that is C.V. Raman. It's changed. It's changed. Yes? No, everyone look at the board and take in your textbook. See, from first lesson and second lesson, and also from first lesson one paragraph and second lesson paragraph. That I may give here. In first lesson there is a poem and also in second lesson also there is a poem. From these lesson and also poem, from this also second lesson a lesson and a poem. From these two you prepare all paragraphs. You should read the lesson perfectly. You should read the lesson thoroughly. So you should understand before going to paragraph. So everyone prepare, everyone read the lesson and also poem perfectly. So by that you can write the paragraph which can be given from the first lesson or second lesson. I may give from first lesson or second lesson. I may give the poem from first lesson or I may give the poem from second lesson. Okay? So you have to prepare thoroughly the lesson. You should understand the lesson. Okay? Coming to the paragraphs completed now. First bit will be paragraph. The second bit also will be paragraph. First bit be paragraph. And also second bit will be paragraph. The second bit will be paragraph from poem. Nana. This is from poem. This is from lesson. Okay? Understood? And the third bit will be going to the grammar. The third bit will be grammar. Okay? The grammar part will be taken from first lesson and also second lesson, which is the back side of the lesson. Okay? See, everyone open textbook and see page number 8. Yes, sir. Page number, Nana, page number 8. Page number 8. There is a fill in the blanks using appropriate phrases given below. Yes, they have given the blanks with answers in the yellow color box, Nana. Which is in yellow color box, they have given the blanks. So by using that we have to complete our fill in the blanks. Yes, tick second bit and also read the following sentence from your lesson and identify the underlined precisions. Yes, they have given sugar plus cane, that is full form. The compound nouns from what will become? Sugar cane. Yes, sugar plus cane. Totally the compound noun will become sugar cane. Yes, this is a bit. And also next there is a max of volume which is related to the compound nouns. Let us see, join the words now. Yes, now see, birth, yes, birthday, door, doorbell, fire, firewood, hand, handkerchief, moon, moonlight, motor, cycle, sun, shine, gate, way. These are the words from column A and column B. You have to, by joining, will be getting a compound word. This is the word where we are joining to related to that given word in column A to the column B. So totally we have to write that. Okay. Now next we have already learned the comparative comparisons. Yes, we have already learned the from page number 8 from compound A and compound, that is from column A and column B they have given. We have to join and we have to write a new compound word is formed. So let us see. Now we have already learned a comparative, a positive and also superlative, that is comparison degrees. Yes, that is what we have learned, the degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparisons. Yes, we have learned degrees of comparisons now in previous classes. Yes, that is very very important. I may give in the form of sentences or I may give in the form of words. Okay. Everyone remember in the comparisons of degree of comparisons. First one is positive. Next one is comparative. And also next one is superlative. Yes, superlative. These are the words very very important. These are the words which is kept and these are the words we have to give the headings and we have to remember. Positive. In positive we get the word. For example, large. I am going to take the large. So when you compare in the comparative, it becomes larger. Yes, in superlative, largest. Yes. These are the words used in every time. Whatever the word it is given, whatever the noun it is given, comparative, in comparative, er and also est in superlative. Superlative we are going to use. Okay, remember that. And that is enough. And also direct speech and indirect speech. You have to use in page number 11 by using permission may. You have to complete the sentence. In second bit, rewrite the following sentences directed. They are in directed sentence. The boy seems to cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. Express this using by may. Yes, the boy may cry. The boy may cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. Yes, and also see second one. You can use my camera if you need. Yes, by using may, you may use my camera if you need. Yes, that is the way we have to convert into direct sentence. Given sentence should be converted in the form of direct speech in the given word may. Okay, when you come into the page number 12, now express the wishes of the people mentioned below using unreal past, wish plus subject plus past. The first one is done for you, Nana. Sindhu has missed her school bus. She has to go to school urgently. She wishes to have a car. How would Sindhu express her wish? Yes, I wish I had a car. subject they have given, and also it is completed into past tense. We have to write. So Anita wants to abolish the system of exams. She wishes to be the Prime Minister. How would Anita express her wish? Yes, I wish I have to become. I wish I have to become a Prime Minister. Yes, I want to become a Prime Minister. Yes, like that you have to wish and you have to complete the given sentences. Okay, and it is next. I may give for 5 marks. It is a letter to your friend inviting him. Yes, already we have explained. Already we have learned about letter. Okay, how to write a letter to friend. Yes, and also imagine you were the town mouse, country mouse, and write a description of your visit. No need of description. Everyone perfectly learned about leave letter. Okay, and see, coming to the blue dress. Coming to the new blue dress, everyone read the lesson perfectly, and you may get the one paragraph from that. They may answer questions. You can answer. Okay, everyone open now second lesson. Open second lesson and see, everyone read the lesson C.V. Raman, and you have to imagine the given pictures also and give the names, and from that I may give the pictures, I may ask the questions also, or I may give the paragraph in the form of lesson. Yes, in the form of lesson I may give any paragraph. I can select any para. I can ask some questions. You have to perfectly give the answer. Okay. Next, coming to the page number 27. Now page number 27. Yes, sir. Here also they have given some correct meaning. The following sentence, the first bit, the following sentence are form of your lesson. Read them carefully and check the correct meaning of the underlined word. They have given the meanings. Yes, they have given the meanings. They are saying to they have given the meanings. They are saying to be write the meaning, correct the correct meaning. Read the sentence correctly. His parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. Particular, eager, worried. So that is eager. Next, held, thought, yes, and mainly, certainly, made. The British made Raman at night of the British Empire. Appointed. Yes. Passed away. Left. Yes. They have given, write the meanings. We have to write the correct. We have to take the correct meaning it seems. So you can correct the meaning. Okay. Next, here they have given some verbs. For the corresponding noun forms we have to write. Enjoyed, enjoyment, enjoyed, surprised, disappointed, worried, satisfied. Everything it is related to verb. So noun are the feeling expressed. Yes, here the verb it is expressing a feeling to the noun. So enjoyment, surprised, disappointed, disappoint, worried, worry, satisfied, satisfaction. Yes, these are the some of the noun forms which is related to verb. Okay, shocked, shock, excited, excitement, relief, relieved, honest, honesty. Yes, everything I am going to share in your group. So everyone prepare the grammar which is backside of the lesson. Okay. Now abbreviations and also full forms also you have to write. Yes, so they have given abbreviations here. You have to write the full form which I am going to share in the group now. Okay. That is also very important in page number 28. And also match the following also. Okay, everyone understood? And also you should learn the biography of J.C. Bose. Biography of J.C. Bose. Yes. And coming to the poem, everyone read the poem perfectly. And also you just, I'm going from the poem, I'm going to change. From the poem, I'm going to give the paragraph. You have to answer the given questions. Okay? I think everyone perfect with this. Yes, everyone understood. Once again, I'm telling see paragraphs, grammar, which is at the back side of the lesson. Each and every bit you have to prepare for the coming exam. Okay? Thank you.